Hey everybody, this is Jessica from Jessica Lynn Original Studios at jessicalynoriginal.com. And today I thought, you know what, let's do a whole page of coloring. Now, if you've ever used digital stamps before, one of the things I love to do is make a whole page of them because then I'm saving paper. I have a habit of just putting one on there and then wasting a ton. So I thought, today let's go ahead and get a bunch of digital stamps. And I opted to choose a company today other than using just mine. And I went to a website called LoveCynthia.com. Very, very cute. And I paid for all of these myself. So this is an honest review. I purchased them, downloaded them. When I went to her website, super easy to navigate, very, very easy to pick the ones I want and download. Had them within less than 2 minutes. And went ahead and went out to a Microsoft Word page. And then you can see I just organized them to the size I wanted and I did a full layout. Now, one of the tricks I did do was I did it where the images would apply, so I could move the images around. So I stacked them so that it would still have enough room because I'm going to use my Brother Scan and Cut today. Almost like a die cut. So what I'll do is I'll actually take the Brother Scan and Cut, have it outline, all of these, find the cut lines, and actually cut these out with a border. So love these. I think they are so adorable. And I really wanted to play with some funky and fun hair. So you'll see as I color this in. A big portion of my video today is just doing quite a bit of Copic marker coloring. I do a mix of Copic colors and Cali art markers. Those two are my favorites. But I will put the link down below if you are interested in supporting LoveCynthia. Like I said, I purchased these on my own. These were nothing she gave me. So I hope you think they're very cute and go and support her business. And then don't forget to come over to mine, jessicalynoriginal.com, and take a look at all of our digitals. I'm actually working on a whole new series for fall. Cannot wait. So all kinds of new stuff coming to our website. I'm even working on new layouts. So I know my website right now is in a little bit of construction, if you will. So I cannot wait to share with you the new look of the website. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So with these, what I did, again, I went in and I printed off the whole sheet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the whole thing. So I'm going to color every image. So this is one of those, you're hanging out, sitting there with your kids, watching a movie or something. You could sit and color this. You could be in a meeting and you could sit and color while you're listening. Easy, super easy. And then the best part is that at the end, the Brother Scan and Cut will actually cut them all out at one time for me. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prepped images ready to go that'll be fully colored, cut, and ready to just turn into a card. So I think this is going to be a fun project. I can't wait to color them all. I do like the heaviness of her line art. Like, that's really nice. It helps when you're coloring. That it really has a nice feel and weight to it. And I think that we're going to go ahead and finish coloring this in, and then I will use the Brother Scan and Cut to cut this out. I am absolutely in love with the yellow dress with the little safari hat. It kind of reminds me of a Jane sort of thing. Very, very cute though. And just as a side note, while I'm coloring away here and you're hanging out with me, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It costs nothing. We just go in, and anytime we upload a new video, we'll send you a notification right through YouTube when you're logged in. There is an option if you want to get an email, but you don't have to. And it'll just notify you whenever we upload a new video. And at Jessica Studios here out on YouTube, I decided that at one point I had everything all just on my stamps and all that, and I realized it really was hindering my creativity. And so I decided I wanted to make this channel more than that. So there are adventures that we go on to different places. There are videos about cards. There's gonna be, I just got some of my copyright information back, so we're just about ready that I'll be able to start sharing my children's book that I have been working on forever with you. There may be some times when we do other random DIY or crafting things. There might be a random, let's go to the store. I really don't want this channel to become robotic, and I really want to share my creative personality with you, and so I hope that that inspires you, and that's really my goal. My goal is to do a project or color something or create something or take you someplace that, you know, while we're there you go, oh, you know, this is a great idea, I would love to do this. So that is my big goal with my channel here. So please, down on the right hand side there's a little red YouTube icon. Just click on that, it'll say subscribe, and then like I said, it costs nothing and it'll just remind you. And while we're hanging out here, don't forget to like this video, and I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these is your favorite? I think personally, I think they're all really cute. But let's finish coloring and then we will use the Brothers Scan and Cut. Now they are all colored in and ready to go. I am in love with them. I love trying to get different textures and colors and hair and kind of just play around with it. I do really love the way I did the hair with the green outfit where it's like blonde in the roots and then brown and down into the darker like an ombre. I think that's really pretty. So how to use the Brother Scan and Cut. I mean, this really isn't a tutorial on that, but this is what I love about it. Literally, I put it on the sticky mat. I run it through. Right now, it's actually scanning the images. It'll pop up on the screen and it'll say, okay, is this how much you want me to cut out? And I'll say, well, you know, yes. So I could choose to cut it right on the line, or I could say, why don't we add a 1/4 of an inch, a 1/16 of an inch, whatever I want. And the Brother Scan and Cut will actually come back and find those lines for me. So it's kind of cool that I don't have to figure out or measure it. The big thing is just making sure that I place enough distance between the images that it can find them and then allot for that extra space. Now, one thing I've noticed with the Brother Scan and Cut, and it doesn't happen very often, but every once in a while there might be a little line that kind of jolts farther than it should, or it's not perfect, but 99% of the time it is perfect. So then I just literally will take my scissors and then do a little bit of cleanup. So not a terrible thing, really easy to fix. So I've got it just about set here. So I want it to cut. This one I am going to add a white border all the way around these images, because right now I haven't really decided what kind of cards I'm going to make. I want to make sure that I have the opportunity that if I put them on a darker background, they'll have just a little white border just so they pop a little bit more. So adorable. And the thing that I love is you can pop them off while it's cutting as long as you don't pull on the mat. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me grab that one there down in the bottom left here. There we go, the little cats. There we go. So look how cute. Now you can see like up in her hair, see there's like a little bit of a ridge. It's not that bad, but it happens every once in a while. So I'm not sure what that is or how to fix it, but it's not a big deal because 99% of the image is perfect. So I just go in and clean that up a little bit. But I love the fact that it has such a cute border around it. Here, let me show you this one here. So adorable. I love this. The images are so cute. And when you cut them out, they just pop. I cannot wait to make cards with them. See how cute that is? Like, I thought they looked cute on the sheet, but they look even cuter, like, cut out. They almost remind me of, like, still animation kind of stuff, you know? Like, I could put those up there and do stop animation and do, like, a different thing where I move them around. Or they look like little paper dolls, kind of, too. That's kind of fun. I like that one cat with the party hat on where it's got its mouth open, like, ah, party. Alright, so let me show you how these last two look. Super cute. And then these two that I have left on the board, the surfer girl and the one in the yellow, they remind me so much of my daughters. Now, my daughters are not that old yet, but I'm sure I'll blink. But it reminds me of the two of their personalities. So I might make a card or something for them. Or maybe I'll make them some door things for their rooms. Super cute. And then the big thing to remember is the Brother Scan and Cut mats. They're super sticky at first, and then they lose their stick. So this one's a brand new one, so I need to make sure I take the paper off right away, because I don't want it to be permanently stuck like that, because I have been in that situation before. Alright, so let's go ahead and just lay all these out. Super cute. I like the fact that the Copics are really nice and bold, perfectly shadowed. They look really good. I think these are going to make some very, very cute cards. And you can see I'm just trimming up anything that maybe got that little jagged edge, because it's very small that it did that, but I just want it to be perfect. So I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup. Well, I am super happy with how these turned out. In future videos, you'll probably see these being turned into cards and other items. So be sure to subscribe to our channel down below. Again, just click on that little red icon and click the subscribe. Or when this flips over, go ahead and click on me giving you a thumbs up. That'll help you subscribe. And then don't forget to give us a like. I'd love to hear from you down below which one of those was your favorite. And then I also put up a few more videos for you to take a look at. I thank you again, and I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day. Take care, everybody.